tape, see if it cuts off anymore. Yes! Oh, hold on. Hey, Ron, it shut off. Oh, look, I got a witness in the car. Oh, and there's my cute little witness back there. Ron from GM. Car's not fixed. But according to this purge valve you all just put on, it's fixed. Grandson's birthday. Well, wait a minute, hold on. We're celebrating this party today. But it's his birthday. There's my witness. Say hi to everybody on YouTube for me and the people at GM. So, legal representative told me I can't use foul words. So people who know me know what this means. Ron, KMA. I'm just going to let the car sit here for a while.